portion of Europe must be earlier near Antarctica. So sorry, near tropical region. ये कहाँ पे होना चाहिए? Tropical. Therefore, it has been from here. Must have it has gone here. ये होना चाहिए. So इसको अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि what should be there. And then he thought the two things can happen. One, the climate is shifting. Possibility ये हो सकती है. What is the possibility? Climate is shifting through sun. Another possibility is there that I said that continent is drifting. These two possibility, if it is there, either one or this, then these possibilities are possible. If the climate is shifting, then the sun can come over here and it can become a what? Tropical and tropical region, and the sun possibly can come over here and climate can change. Yes or not? Who can change the climate? Climate depends upon the sun. Climate on the earth's surface depends upon the sun. So sun possibly can come here and it can become equatorial or it can become one as a tropical. क्योंकि forest कहाँ पे है? Where is the large number of forest? Equatorial and in tropical regions. Understood? So this possibility can. Then what he did? Understood it? आप लोग इसी फॉर्म में लिखते चलेंगे. आपका आंसर फॉर्मेटिक के फॉर्म में ही बता रहा हूं. बिहेवियरल ज्योग्राफी के फील्ड में ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ही इज मेकिंग देयर ओन वर्ल्ड मैप. यस और नॉट? व्हाट ही इज डूइंग? ही इज मेकिंग देयर ओन बिहेवियरल मैप. यस और नॉट? बीइंग एन मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट एंड क्लाइमेटोलॉजिस्ट, वो इसी चीज को देखेंगे. एक साइंटिस्ट किसी और तरीके से देखता. एंड आई सेड दैट एन डॉक्टर विल सी लाइक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनिमल कैसा है, जूलॉजिस्ट विल सी, बॉटनिस्ट विल सी इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म. सेवरल विल हैव अ डिफरेंट परसेप्शन. Another portion that if I'll talk about, he coined, first he has in 1912 इन्होंने एक बुक लिखी जिसमें थ्योरी आया था. ये सारा जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं वो ओरिजिन ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट एंड ओशियानिक बेसिन, ये बुक आया था. इसमें इन्होंने दिस थ्योरी हैज बीन गिवन, origin of continent and oceanic basin. Origin of continent and what he talked about, and he said like he said that around 200 million years ago a supercontinent Pangaea was existing. Supercontinent, Pan means all, Gea means landmass, all landmass. A supercontinent Pangaea was existing and it was surrounded by Panthalassa. It was surrounded by all sides, it is surrounded by, and Pan means all and Thalassa means water body. So it was surrounded by water body. Around 200 million years ago, you can write 220 also, it doesn't matter. Clear? Pangaea was surrounded by whom? Yes, tell me. Panthalassa. It is clear? आप ऐसे ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपको स्टार्टअप कैसा होना चाहिए? ड्यूरिंग द व्हाट इज ना बिहेवियरल ज्योग्राफिकल पीरियड. Mr. Wegener in the 2nd century of second decade of 20th century has given this theory in the book of what? Origin of Continent and Oceanic Basin, and he found that in the mid latitude there is a tropical vegetation, and in the Antarctica there is a what? Cold deposit, but present climatic situation does not, according to the present climatic situation, it is not possible. Understood my point? And therefore in his book he coined two terms. Geography में ये terms पहले नहीं था. He coined two terms. What is the supercontinent Pangaea surrounded by, yes, Panthalassa. Understood? And he said, अब इसके बाद इन्होंने दो terms coin कर दिया. Is it clear? Is it clear? And he said, he put an argument. उसके बाद ये क्या किए? Put argument to support his hypothesis, his concept. अपने कंसेप्ट को प्रूफ करने के लिए इन्होंने क्या दिया? आर्ग्यूमेंट. What the argument he has given? First argument he has given, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग आर्गुमेंट है, उसकी वजह से उन्होंने कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट को प्रूफ किया. आर्गुमेंट बेसिस, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ आर्गुमेंट ही प्रूव्ड हिज continental drift. And then first argument he said that continent is, अभी तक हम लोग अल्फ्रेड वेगनर के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, अब सी लेटर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सी वर्ड नजर ज्यादा आएगा. अंडरस्टूड? continent is drifting and climate is stationary. Continent is drifting and climate is, and second argument he said, yes, climate is shifting, climate drift नहीं होता है, climate is shifting and continent is stationary. He put these two arguments. He put in the front of the world these two arguments, and thereafter he himself proved one argument is correct. He said that climate on the earth's surface depends upon what? Solar energy, sun. And sun in a solar system, here it is the sun, and in the solar system other planets, sun in a solar system with respect to planet does not change their position. Sun solar system में with respect to planet does not change their, and if it is not changing their position, it means climate is also not. So he proved that the second argument who put in front of the world is not possible. Climate is not shifting. So automatically what proved? So only continent is, ध्यान में रखेंगे, he proved his theory initially on the basis of argument. He proved his theory on the basis of what? Argument, that the continent is drifting. Continent shift नहीं करता है, drift करता है, climate shift करता है. Clear? What is the first two arguments? Just tell me first. And second argument? Climate is shifting and continent is stationary. तो ये इन्होंने wrong proof किया on the basis of, and what the line he has said, that what the line he has said? Yes, climate on the earth's surface depends upon the solar energy provided by the sun. थोड़ा सा और भी अच्छा आर्टिस्टिक होना चाहते हो, that you can say that solar energy at a different angle at different latitude from the sun. Different angle पे different latitude पे sun क्या होता है? Different angle से गिरेगा, जो आप क्लाइमेट में लर्न करेंगे. क्लियर? And therefore, and then it is an, I said that climate is depending upon the sun, and the sun in a solar system with respect to the planet does not change their position. It means climate is not shifting. Therefore, second argument proved to be wrong, and automatically first argument proved correct. अब इन्होंने प्रूव कर दिया करेक्ट. सी लेटर हैज बीन फिनिश्ड. समझ में आ गया. ए फॉर अल्फ्रेड वेगनर के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें मैंने करी. एंड नाउ सी. अब नाउ हम आ रहे हैं, वी आर कमिंग ऑन टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट. D4 डायरेक्शन ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट. आप याद करते रहें, इसलिए क्योंकि आपको याद होना चाहिए प्रेजेंटेशन भी कैसे करना. He said that one direction of drift is, I said that, northward or equatorward. Better to say equatorward. Northward ज्यादा हुआ था इसलिए northward. Another, I said that there is an westward. Westward drift, and then I said that centrifugal force, centrifugal pseudo force drift. Which are the drift he talked about? Yes. Equatorward, westward, and centrifugal pseudo force. If I am talking about equatorward के लिए इन्होंने दो force use किया, and then two forces are, I said, one it is a gravitational force, and another force he used buoyancy force. Which are the two forces he used? Gravitational force and buoyancy force. And westward he utilized, for the westward he utilized tidal force. Which force? And then centrifugal pseudo force through the rotation of Earth. Clear? Now, so the direction of the drift that we are going to see. Direction of the drift, if I am talking about, first he said that, listen me carefully, continent is freely drifting. Continent is like he said that, उन्होंने आपको आज की डेट में क्या पता है? There is two plates, continental plate and oceanic plate. At that time there is no as such. He did not talk about oceanic plate, something like this. He simply said that continent as ऊपर में, आप कभी आप पढ़ेंगे अर्थ इंटीरियर क्रस्ट को लोग बोलते हैं सियाल, इसमें सिलिका एंड एल्युमिनियम इज मोर, एंड मेंटल एज आई सेड दैट सीमा, सिलिका एंड मैग्नीशियम एंड फेरस इज मोर, एंड कोर एज व्हाट? निकल एंड फेरस. सियाल, सीमा, टुडे इट इज करेक्ट. Sial, Sima and, but what he said that continent as Sima is floating over, Sial, floating freely, ध्यान रखेंगे, floating freely over Sima below. Freely कह दिया इन्होंने. What he has said that? Freely. इसका मतलब नीचे वाली चीज क्या है? लेस डेंसर. जिस पे आप फ्रीली फ्लोट कर रहे हो, दैट इज एन लेस डेंसर. यस और नॉट? सो आज भी हम जानते हैं कि नीचे क्या है? एस्ट्रोनोस्फेयर, ऑन विच आई सेड दैट आवर अर्थ कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट्स आर व्हाट इट इज ना? कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड ओशियानिक प्लेट इज फ्लोटिंग. ही सेड फ्रीली. ध्यान रखेंगे दिस वर्ड फ्रीली, जिसको बाद में हम लोग अभी क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे. And then our continent is, like I said, that world supercontinent was, I said that, like, or I said that